we are going to see about naive Bayesian classification. Okay, it is based on an assumption that the effect of an attribute is independent of the value of other attribute, and this is the algorithm for a simple naive Bayesian classifier. First we will see an example. Okay, so here we are given a training data set called D with 14 tuples, and each row is a tuple and each row has 4 attributes: age, income, student, credit rating. And the class here we have two classes. One is by computer is equal to yes and the other one is no. Age, 3 types of ages: youth, middle aged and senior. Income, 3 types: high, medium and low. Student, 2 values, yes or no. Credit rating, we have 2 categories, one is fair and the other one is excellent. With this data, what we have to do find out is, first thing is we have to find out how many classes are there. Here we have 2 classes, yes and no, so 2 classes C1 and C2. And then here the problem which we are given here is, x is equal to, age is equal to youth, income is equal to medium, student is equal to yes, and credit rating is equal to fair. We have to classify, we have to apply this algorithm and find out whether this belongs to class 1 or class 2, that is whether the customer will buy a computer or he won't buy a computer. To find out this classification problem, first we have to maximize probability of x given ci into probability of ci. So for ci we have for I we have 2 values, 1 and 2. So first we have to compute this part, probability of ci, that is probability of c1 and probability of c2. When you are observing this table, we can first find that out of 14 records we have 9 yes and 5 no. So when you come checking this last column, we have 9 yes and 5 no. Okay, so the probability of Bayes computer is equal to yes is 9 by 14, 643, and the probability of no is 5 by 14, 0.357. And next thing which we are going to compute is probability of x given ci. Probability of x given, say this thing, we have complete evaluated this one, and now we have to find out values of probability of x given ci. So here we have 4 attributes: age, income, student and credit rating. Okay, and we have 2 classes, yes and no. So for each attribute we have to find out the Bayes computer is equal to yes and the probability given Bayes computer is equal to no. So probability of age is equal to youth given Bayes computer is equal to yes, and probability of age is equal to youth Bayes computer is equal to no. Okay, when you check this table, we have 9 yes and 5 no's. Okay, 9 yes and 5 no. That's why in all the denominator for yes it is 9 and no it is 5. Now out of this 9 yes, we have to find out how many Bayes computer is equal to yes. Okay, age is equal to youth and Bayes computer is equal to yes. We can find only 2 records. I'll explain to the first case. Age is equal to youth and Bayes computer is equal to yes. Here you see age is equal to youth and Bayes computer is equal to S1, and age is equal to youth and Bayes computer is equal to S2. Similarly for no, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for age is equal to youth and Bayes computer is equal to yes, 2, and age is equal to youth and Bayes computer is equal to no, we have 3. So 2 by 9 is this value, 3 by 5 is this value. Similarly you have to find out for income, yes, student, credit and credit rating, and we get all these values. Next thing is we have to evaluate this one, probability of x given ci and into probability of c1 ci. It should be evaluated for 2 classes, c1 and c2. So first we have to find out the probability of this portion, probability of x given ci, that is Bayes computer is equal to yes and Bayes computer is equal to no. For this we have to multiply all the values of Bayes computer is equal to S. Age is equal to youth into S, medium income medium into S, student S and into S, and credit rating into S. You have to find out all the S values, that is this one 222 into 0.444 into 0.667 into 0.667. So now we can see this, we will get the value 0.044044. Similarly you have to find out for no. For that we will get 0.019. Now we have to multiply this P of xi into P of ci, which this one we have found earlier, that P of probability of Bayes computer S is 0.643 and probability of Bayes computer no is 0.357. So multiply the S by the first value 0.444 into 643, second one no 0.019 into 0.357, and we'll get these values. The first one is greater than the second value, so we conclude that age is equal to youth, income is equal to medium, student is equal to S, credit rating is equal to fair. This tuple belong to the class Bayes computer is equal to S. Okay, this algorithm is given above. We can go through the algorithm. Okay, thank you.